Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Today we want to move a bit from calculation into the rules and regulations for dealing with cases of irregularity at WAEC examination, which we commonly term as do's and don'ts of an examination. We know WAEC started yesterday, so we want to see what are some of the rules, what are some of the laid out procedures for both candidates and invigilators. To start with, one of the rules governing this exam is bringing in foreign materials. So students are admonished not to bring in foreign materials, so do not bring into the examination hall any foreign materials such as either note, textbook, prepared materials, a blank piece of paper, programmable or manual of calculators, mobile phones, or any other material which is intended to give you undue advantage. So you are entering the exam hall with your pen, pencil, paper, and your mind. No other material should be accepted in the exam hall. Now, if you are able to go against that rule, penalty is that candidates' entire exam in the examination hall shall be withheld pending the cancellation of result of the subject involved. So if you are seen copying in mathematics, the whole result will be withheld, whilst the mathematics paper will be cancelled. If it is English that you are held, then that paper will be cancelled. But in the case of mobile phone or any other electronic communication devices in the examination hall, the entire result of the candidate shall be withheld pending the cancellation of his entire or her entire result. Meaning, if you are caught with mobile phone in English oral, or if you're not careful, all your result from English, all the 8 subjects or 9 subjects will be cancelled. Meaning, you will not be able to have result slip for that examination. 2. Irregular activities in or outside the examination hall. What are those? Do not steal, covet, or misappropriate the script of other candidates. Maybe you see your friend going out to unit, you quickly change over the script, cancel the candidate number, that is the index number, replace with yours. If you are caught doing that, you will be in mess. Do not substitute work script during or after the examination. You are going to submit, you take your friend's own, cancel his name, put your name, your index number, all those things, you will be caught. Do not seek or receive help from non-candidates such as invigilators, supervisors, teachers, or any other personalities during the examination. You must not require for help. You are there to write an examination, not to be helped. That is not a classroom for discussion. Penalty for these irregularities will be the result of the entire examination will be held pending cancellation of the entire result. If you have been helped, you have been asked, you are helping somebody or someone is helping you, possibility of your exam being cancelled is very high. Then continuation of that is that do not tear any part of your question paper or answer booklet, or take your question paper or answer booklet out of the examination hall. Maybe you feel like, oh, I have not written enough, so the answer booklet given to me, I will not submit it. It's an offense. You cannot tear part of it. Maybe you feel like you have used only 4 leaves out of the 10 leaves, so let me take some out of it. No, you can't do that. Do not refuse to submit your work script to the supervisor after the examination. Stop work, bring your work. Then say, as for me, I have not written enough, or I made a mistake, so I will not submit. It's an offense. Do not start your examination before commencement of work is officially announced. Let's say we are to start at 9. Then you were given the question paper and the answer booklet at 8:45. Then you start working. It's an offense. Or continue to write an exam after the official orders has been given to stop. We are stopping at what? Get ready to stop work. Stop work. Then you feel like you have not written enough, so you want to write more. That is also an offense. Penalty is that the candidate's entire results shall be withheld pending cancellation of what? Result of that particular subject. So if it is social studies that you feel like you have not written enough, so you want to write, even after the bell has been rung, that paper will be cancelled. Number 3, collusion. Do not pass note for help, receive or give assistance, or talk or collude in any manner with any person. You are not in the exam hall to have discussions. Yours is to just give your mind on the paper. Remember, collusion can be detected in your script during marking. If you collude, give paper, pass on script, all those things, when they are marking, they have a way of checking those things. And penalty for this is the entire result of the candidate will be withheld, shall be withheld, then cancellation of the result is going to be on that subject, the subject involved, if you are colluding or receiving help. Number 4, impersonation. That is where you feel like you don't have enough to write, so let me contact Kofi to come and write for me. That is impersonation. Or you feel like you want to write for somebody instead of the person. So do not write examination for another person, or allow another person to write the examination for you. Remember, impersonation is an offense. If you are caught, you yourself and the person who is impersonating for you will be in trouble. So penalty is that cancellation of entire result will happen, barring of impersonator and the impersonated from taking any examination conducted by WAEC, not less than 2 years. And don't forget, that is not only thing, you'll be prosecuted, because impersonation is an offense, criminal offense. So you'll be prosecuted. On top of that, you will not be allowed to write any examination organized by WAEC in the next 2 years. So take note of that. Then 5, assault on supervisors or invigilators or inspected. You feel like you have your muscles. Your anger is so close to you, so a little things you are pissed off. So you feel like assaulting or insulting. So do not insult or assault supervisors, invigilators in the lawful performance of his or her duties, either inside the exam hall or outside the exam hall, or in any other way disturb the conduct of the exam. You cannot use your muscles if you're not able to write. The invigilators are there to order your steps. So you cannot decide, no, what you have done today, you've not allowed me to copy. You have given me strict supervision, so I am going to assault or beat or fight. That is not accepted by WAEC. Don't forget, the entire result of the candidate shall be what? Withheld pending cancellation of entire result, not on the subject. So if on the first day you fought an invigilator and you are allowed to write through all the 9 papers throughout the 2 months, after that, and if it is being proven that you are at fault, then your result will be cancelled. Entire result will be cancelled. So these are some of the rules that have been laid down. Don't forget, you also have the leakage of papers, whereby you have to be the source of spreading the question paper before it's being written. If it is detected, you as a person, the center in which you write the paper, the center can also be banned from what? Receiving candidate to write. It means your school will move to a different center to continue the exam. The same thing happened to mass copying of work, mass cheating, whereby the entire center has been seen that they do copy work. It means the result of the entire school, the entire center will be cancelled. So these are the laid out procedures. Let us go by it so that we write this exam 2022 in peace. There will be no way by which candidates will be disenfranchised to receive the result. Let's keep this in mind, both invigilators and candidates to know their way so that nothing will come to us as harm. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best as candidates in this year's exam. We pray that we will see you at the top after this exam. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.